Yes, my peeps, today I tore away all of these woods, rotten wood from right here, and then I replace it with this here. So this is a ramp that goes into the shed, and this ramp here was really rotten out to nothing. So I remove all of these rotten wood, and then I'm building now a new ramp for this. So here what we do, this is an 8x8 ramp, and now we have these here are for the deck. These are deck board. So all of this will be replaced, and so we basically have a brand new ramp for the shed, and that's what it's all about. Yep. So as you notice, I'm here getting this thing done. That's the carpenter in town, and the man Nathaniel. Stay tuned, guys, and share, like, comment. You know what to do. Thank you.